Hello everybody and welcome back to Pharma Minutes. This is Hanab Tawa from Auckland Uni, and in today's video we're going to speak about how can we carry out a method development, HPLC method development. But let's first remind ourselves what is the method development. It is an optimization study to find out the best chromatographic conditions. Wait, please. What do you mean? What did you say? What do you mean by chromatographic conditions? Chromatographic conditions are the various parameters of your test, including the column size, diameters, the Scheiner phase, mobile phase composition, pH, flow rate, system temperature, and maybe wavelength of detection if you're using UV. But coming into practice, you might not have the choice or the option to change your column, especially if you are an undergraduate student. And most likely, if you are given a column, it should be suitable to your analyte or your drug. So let's move to the mobile phase composition and pH. How we choose the mobile phase composition is based mainly on the solubility of your drug. The higher the solubility of your drug in the mobile phase, the higher the affinity of your drug toward the mobile phase, and the shorter will be the retention time, which is great. Okay, there is some other factors, but let's move to the pH. The pH. Do we need to use to stabilize the pH, make it fixed? Do we need to use a buffer? Why? The use of the buffer is important to make the pH stable and fix it at a certain value to control the ionization of your drug and keep it in one form. And even if your drug is not ionizable, is to control the ionization of different matrix components. But what is the pHs, or which pH is more suitable for analysis? This depends on the pKa of your drug. The pH of your mobile phase should be at least 2 units away from the pKa of your drug to keep it in non-ionized form. Suppose that your pKa of your drug is 8, so your pHs should be 8 or above, 10 or above, or 6 or below. But there is another thing to be considered, is the suitability of your column toward the pH range. You need to have a look on this. Otherwise, if you choose a pH value away from this range, you are going to deteriorate your column and reduce its lifespan. Okay, so now suppose that you already identified and the suitable pH for a run. Which buffer is more suitable to you, to your method? They depend on the pH, the chosen pH, and the buffer pKa. This will not take you from you a long time. Just Google it. You will find that each buffer has a higher capacity over a pH range depending on its pKa. Okay. Before ending this video, I would like to apologize for the sound in the background as I'm sitting on my house gardens, and my neighbor is doing some construction work. So my apologies. See you later to complete this series. Thank you.